In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use data visualizations as a filter in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Using a visualization as a filter allows users to click on data points like the 2023 fiscal year in this example, and instantly filter all related visualizations on the canvas. This makes it easier to narrow down related data without creating new filters or dashboards from scratch. I can use a visualization as a filter by clicking on the Use as Filter icon to enable the feature. Now when I select the 2023 fiscal year, the other visualizations across the canvas are updated to display data based specifically on the 2023 year. The other charts show a filter in the grammar panel and labels appear under the title to indicate a filter is applied. Now I can quickly see that the support cost center generated the most revenue for the 2023 fiscal year. To remove this filter, I can click on a blank spot on the chart or select the Use as Filter icon again to deactivate it. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.